Welcome to Babyneed. This channel is about giving tips for women who are planning for pregnancy or going through pregnancy. Also, we give information on your responsibilities in taking care of your baby. In part 1, we explained about the causes of cold and cough and how to treat them at home. If you have not already watched it, please do watch now. Link is given in the description below. Today in this video we are going to explain about the natural home remedies for babies' cold and cough. What are the best natural remedies for babies with cold and cough? Natural remedies are the best way to take care of your baby. They are made from natural ingredients, and they are very effective for treating cold and cough. A natural way to take care of your baby is by using an organic vapor mist humidifier. The best natural remedies for babies with cold and cough are those that are safe, gentle, and effective. There are many natural remedies that can be used to help soothe a baby's cough. For example, some people use a humidifier to reduce the dryness in the air that can lead to coughing. Others use a vaporizer or nebulizer to produce steam and moisten the airways. Natural remedies for babies include 1. A humidifier to moisten the air in the room. Humidity can have a huge effect on the respiratory system. Those who don't have allergies can experience dry skin and sore throats. If a person has an allergy, their symptoms can become even worse. So it's better using a humidifier to improve air quality. 2. Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the perfect remedy for newborns. There is no other medicine works better than breast milk. 3. Taking steamy baths. Taking steamy baths is an old home remedy for the common cold and cough. There are 2 types of baths you can take. A hot bath will open up your pores, which will help you breathe easier during a respiratory infection. A cold bath or shower will constrict your blood vessels and make it easier for your body to fight infection as well as keep your blood pressure low to prevent blood clots. Source: WebMD. 4. Using a saline nasal spray or bulb syringe to clear out the nose. Many people have nasal congestion from allergies, cold, or from the change of seasons. There are many different methods to help relieve this congestion, but one of the most effective is saline nasal sprays. These work by opening up your nasal passages and moistening the inside of your nose. 5. Drinking lots of fluids, water, juice, soup. During the cold and cough, no one will be interested to eat solids, so make sure the baby is hydrated with liquids such as water or juice or soups. Fluids provides the nutrients to the body which helps in fighting against the cold spread, and also to boost the immune system. 6. Lemon. Lemon is also one of the most popular natural remedies for cold or cough. It can be used by mixing it with honey or water, and then giving it to your baby. Lemon juice has been used as an astringent and can also be used to soothe the cough. 7. Garlic. Garlic is also an excellent remedy for treating colds and coughs in children because of its antibacterial properties. You can mix garlic with honey, cinnamon, ginger and turmeric to make a cough syrup. Garlic is used in the treatment of high blood pressure because it lowers the systolic pressure by stimulating the kidneys to excrete sodium and water, thereby lowering blood pressure. 8. Warm water. Applying warm water to the baby's chest and back while they are sick will help soothe any cough or irritation in their nose. For infants, you can use a microwave-safe cup or bowl of water. You can also heat up some room temperature water for older babies and children. This will provide relief for them with their cough or cold. 9. Honey. Honey is one of the most popular natural remedies for babies. It is used to treat cough because it has a soothing effect on the throat. Honey contains natural substances that can help with the cold. As honey is often recommended for adults who have a sore throat, it may be effective for children as well. Honey can also help with other symptoms such as a runny nose, if you choose to add it to the warm water. 10. Ginger. Add ginger to warm water will help soothe the throat and provide relief from a cold. Ginger can be added to the tea or taken in pill form if your child is old enough. 11. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk is best traditional remedy. Mix a pinch of turmeric in warm milk and give it to babies once a day. It helps soothing the cough. 12. Warm soups. Warm soups are the best food for babies and it relieves cold and cough. For more information and updates, visit our website babyneed.in. Thanks for watching this video completely. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos and also comment your questions in the comment box below.